I'm going to show you how to make money online with games. It doesn't matter how old you are, you can make money from games. You don't need to play the game, you don't need to know how the game works, you don't even need to record any videos of yourself playing the game at all. It's actually a very easy and interesting way to make money online with games. All you need is a computer or a laptop and internet connection. You don't need any previous experience. All you need is all going to be explained in this video. So make sure you follow each and every step. Now this is available worldwide, so if you're in Africa or in Australia or Asia, Europe, America, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. Before I show you this, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's free, and click that bell icon so that you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. So there's this new game called Among Us. Now what I'm going to be showing you today, you can actually do this with any popular game, but today we're going to use the Among Us game. It's called Among Us. It is a computer game and people are making a lot of money from this game. So if you don't know what it is, this is basically how it looks. This is Among Us over here, and there are a lot of videos being posted about Among Us because it is really popular and people are making a lot of money from this. So for example, somebody posted a video on Among Us and there's already 1 million views in 10 hours. In just 10 hours, there's 1 million views. If we scroll down some more, we can see in just 4 weeks, somebody has been able to get 24 million views just on a video that has to do with Among Us. And if we scroll down, we'll see many more videos, 17 million views in 4 weeks. And I mean, this game is really popular. So I'm going to give you an example of some channels. So let's say, for example, this guy, this is his channel over here, and we can see he made 24 million views in 4 weeks from a video on Among Us. So I'm going onto a website called Social Blade. Social Blade is a place where you can get more information about any YouTube channel. So let's take, for example, this gentleman over here, this channel, and the channel of course posted videos about Among Us, and as you can see, the user's recent video, it's all got to do with Among Us. Basically that's what he's doing, and now he's making up to 338, almost, let's say $350,000 every month. That is a lot of money. That is just a lot of money. And just from this game, basically, I mean, it's doing really well. He's only got 58 uploads and making almost $350,000 per month. I mean, it's really great. So I'm going to show you how you can do the same, but I'm going to show you some other channels as well that are doing similar things. So this channel over here, the Pixel Kingdom, over here, as you can see, making almost $500,000 per month. And as you can see, user's recent video, it of course has to do with the game Among Us. So basically that's what people are doing. And let me show you, only 35 uploads, only uploaded 35 videos. So there's another channel over here as well, basically making almost, let's say, $40,000 a month, and basically it's all about the same kind of videos. So it's about Among Us that we're going to be talking about, which is the game that is making a lot of money. So by the time you're watching this video, you can just repeat the same process with whatever popular game is out there right now. So the next step we're going to do is we want to go onto a website called Twitch. So it's twitch.tv, and twitch.tv is basically a place where people just post. It's just a gaming place where people are posting videos of them playing games. So now you want to come over here and search the popular game that is currently popular at the moment. So you will do that. For us, we're going to be doing Among Us, which is the popular game. And when you click on that, it will take you to the main channel of the game, and we can see there's about 5 million followers already. And what we want to do is we want to go onto clips. There's videos and clips. Now clips are the shorter ones, the maybe 1 minute, 26 seconds, 12 seconds. These are shorter videos. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to show you something. When we go back onto YouTube and we search Among Us compilation, basically it's just people making videos on different short videos of different people playing the game. So they've assembled maybe 12 different videos of people playing the game Among Us, and they've combined it and compiled it into one video, and they're making money from that. So basically you can do the same, where you can actually, for example, over here he has 11 million views, and it's a compilation of different people playing the game. So he's combined different videos of different people playing the game and put it into one video and got 11 million views. Basically you can just do that and make a lot of money from that. So I'll show you how to do that. So when we get back onto the Among Us on twitch.tv, basically, as I said, you want to come onto clips. So you want to just download these. So how do you actually download them? So what you want to do, for example, you want to right click, and then you want to click on copy link address. Click on that. Click on copy link address. Now once you have that, you want to come onto a website called untwitch.com. So it's untwitch.com. So this is a place where you can easily and freely download any video on Twitch. So as we've copied the link of that video, we want to now paste it over here and click submit. So just wait for it to load. Okay, so it will take you to this page over here. So when we scroll down, we can see it has gotten the exact video from Twitch, which of course it was this one over here. So as you can see, we put the link on top over here, and it was able to get us the video. So what you want to do, there are different sizes of the video. You always want to do the best one. Yeah, so you want to choose the best quality over here, which will always be this one on top. So as you can see, it will tell you right click plus save link as. So what you want to do, you want to right click over here and then click on save link as, and then just save it onto your computer somewhere. So that's all you need to do to download the video. So what you basically want to do is you want to do that to several videos. So you want to go back onto Twitch, and then you want to do the same process on different videos. You want to right click, for example, on this one, then of course copy the link and then go back onto untwitch.com, and then you want to paste it over here, and then of course repeat the process and save link. So you want to do that for about as many videos as you can, because we're actually going to be compiling them all together into one single video so that we can make money from that. So you just find as many videos as you can find, and just maybe 20 or 30 or 40 depending on the length of them all, and then save them all onto your computer. So now that you have them all onto your computer, you want to go onto a website called clidio.com. Now when you're on clidio.com, you want to come over here where it says video maker. So click on this button over here where it says video maker. So it will take you over here, and then what you want to do is you want to click choose files. So definitely it's going to take you onto your computer where you've downloaded the files. So basically you just want to find the videos that you've been able to download, and let's take for example a compilation of these. Then you want to press open. So now it's going to be uploading those files onto Clidio. Now, the great thing about Clidio is that it's not something that you have to download onto your computer. You do everything online. That is why a lot of people are using Clidio. Yeah, basically, it's not a software you have to download onto your computer. You just do everything online. So that is the great thing. So you just want to wait for that to upload, and yeah. So while it's uploading, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and please like the video as well. And yeah. So once it's uploaded, you come onto this page over here. Just want to click on create, and then it's going to be creating the video for you. So it's compiling every video that you've uploaded, and it's going to make it into one entire video. So now once you've gotten your video, basically it's going to be, it's going to be very simple, because you're just going to repeat the process that a lot of people are actually doing, where they'll just create the video, compile a few videos of different people, and then put it into one video. And then of course they just have to come back onto YouTube and then upload that video. But now, in order for you to make money on YouTube with that video, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and of course 4,000 hours of watch time. So 4,000 hours, people need to watch your videos for about for 4,000 hours before you can start making money. So now, because of that, there's a different way you can make money as well whilst you're waiting for those 1,000 subscribers. So once you've downloaded your video, what you want to do is you want to go onto Amazon. So now when you're on Amazon, basically, because the type of video that you're going to be uploading is a gaming video, what you want to do is that you want to search for an item like, for example, a gaming chair or gaming PC or gaming monitor, gaming mouse pad, gaming laptop. Now, no matter the product that you choose, what you want to do is you want to become an affiliate. What is an affiliate? Is somebody that is actually selling a product on behalf of somebody else, and then when you make a sale, you share the profit. So basically, there's so many items over here which you can choose from, and then definitely, for example, if you choose a gaming chair, so in the link of your video that you'll be posting on YouTube, you can just put your link of the gaming chair, and if somebody clicks on that and decides to buy that gaming chair, you're going to get a percentage from that sale. So that's how you'll be making money with those videos. You want to be putting links in the description of the video. For example, you can put a link of a gaming chair, gaming PC, gaming keyboard and mouse, and when people view your videos, they can decide to click and make a purchase, and then you can make some extra money for yourself. So in order to become an affiliate, it's very easy. What you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down till you see become an affiliate. So you just want to click on become an affiliate, and when you click on that, you just want to sign up. It's a very easy process. And then once you're done, as you can see, earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So you get 10% for every sale that you make. So basically, it's another way to make money with that video that you'll be compiling and uploading onto YouTube. So I hope it makes sense, and I hope it's not too confusing. If you do have any questions, make sure you comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply and give you more information. And please like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the AD Money channel as well. Just click that red button to subscribe. It's free, and just click the bell icon as well so that you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. Thank you so much, and cheers.